Hey, this is my room. I just cleaned it earlier. Sorry there's no video or whatever. Yeah, I made my bed last night. I started yesterday and I'm done today, so yay. Here's my chair. Think about propping on bottom of my bed just to relax and maybe have some fun. So there's most of my stuff on there. And that should be it for now. So sorry if this video is a little shaky. I have neurological problems, so floor's all clean except for that spot. Yeah, apparently everything's all picked up, so yeah. And also I got a new spot for all my shoes. Look, I'm piecing on right here, so peace.